Good afternoon, students. Today we can discuss some problems from cross product of vectors. Problem number 78. So what is given you, see, students? I cap plus j cap cross I cap minus j cap. Okay, this is the given problem. We need to find its solution. Okay, now I cap, j cap, k cap. I cap coefficient is 1, j cap coefficient is 1, k cap coefficient is 0. Again I cap coefficient is 1, j cap coefficient is minus 1 and k cap coefficient is 0. Okay, students. Now, so I want I cap coefficient product of these two. So 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into 0 0. So we don't have I cap minus j cap into product of these two 0 and product of these two also 0. So plus k cap into product of these two minus 1 minus 1. So what will you get, students? Minus 2k cap. So this is the answer, students. For 78 problem you got answer. Now next one. So 78 is completed. So next one is 87. You see, students, 87. If A and B are the magnitudes of the vectors A bar and B bar. A bar and B bar are two vectors, their magnitudes are A and B, which are not is equal to 0. And given that A bar dot B bar is equal to 0, and also given that, so given that A bar dot B bar is equal to 0, they have given. Okay, and asking to find modulus of A bar plus B bar. Find the modulus of A bar plus B bar. That value they are asking us to find. Okay, students. So A bar dot B bar is equal to, we know that A B cos theta. So A bar dot B bar is equal to A B cos theta, we know, and that is given at 0. Since A cannot be is equal to 0 and B cannot be is equal to 0, so cos of theta must be is equal to 0. So the product of AB into cos theta is equal to 0. But cos A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0, so cos theta is equal to 0. Means theta is equal to 90 degrees, we got it. So theta is 90 degrees. Now I have to find A bar plus B bar. Then I will find magnitude of A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus B bar I want to find it. A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar is equal to AB sin theta into some unit vector you have in this direction, which is called n cap. Okay, students. So A into B into sin theta. Sin how many degrees you write? Sin 90 degrees you write it, and into n cap you write it. So then A into B into sin 90 degrees value 1 and into n cap. So then how much you will get? AB into n cap, that is A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar is equal to AB into n cap, you got it. So thus A bar plus B bar is also a new vector, we know. So because some magnitude into, you got it. So its magnitude, modulus of C bar. Modulus of C bar means what will write? modulus of A bar plus B bar. Modulus of A bar plus B bar means this n cap is a unit vector, its magnitude only you have to write it. So that is called AB. Or we have a bar plus B bar is a C bar, we have a vector. C bar is a vector we have. That vector is equal to its magnitude AB into n cap. I want its magnitude, that is called modulus of C bar. Means what will you do? This what is the unit vector we have n cap and its magnitude AB. So you will write it AB whole square under root. Square and root gets cancelled, then you will get AB. So then find A bar plus B bar means it is answer AB. And answer is AB and it is given root AB in the key. It's a printing mistake, students. It's a DTP operator printing mistake. So please understand that. So its answer is AB. Its magnitude is AB only. Okay, students. A into B, not root AB. So root AB is not the answer, students. Okay. Okay, students. See the next problem. So that is 90th problem. So what is that? A force of minus Fk cap acts at origin O of a coordinate system. So they have given force for us. Force is equal to minus F into K cap. Acts at origin O of a coordinate system. The torque about the point. So there we have to find the torque. Question mark is torque. Tau we have to find, and about the point r bar. So we have to find the position vector about the point r bar. That is 1 comma minus 1 they have given. So that is 1 comma minus 1 means we have to write 1 into I cap and minus 1 into j cap. This is the position vector. Okay, students. So we know the formula for torque. Tau bar equal to r bar plus f bar. So torque tau is equal to r bar plus f bar. R bar is given. So 1 into I cap minus 1 into j cap cross f bar. So minus f into k cap. So see, students, we can do cross like this also. Means again this force is acting along k cap means force is acting along negative z axis with the magnitude f, and the position vector they have given it is acting at a point of 1 comma minus 1. Means you are writing 1 into I cap and minus 1 into j cap. Okay, students. So now what will you do? You have to write the torque tau now. So find, and this minus f you take it common. Minus f take it common. So then we can do like this. See, I cap into I cap cross k cap. So this is the constant I have taken common. Minus f I have taken common. I cap cross k cap minus, again what do we have? J cap cross k cap. Okay, students. So I cap into k cap, and you have written like this. So now minus f, write it as minus f only. So now what will happen, you see, students? So we can follow this method. Okay, students, take your I cap and j cap. So take here j cap and here is k cap. Now go from I to j. I cap cross j cap. So you know that I cross j k, j cross k I, k cross I. So you will get j. This order you know. Okay, students, take one direction. So take one direction, either clockwise I have taken here, students. So now I cross k. So clockwise direction I have taken, and I took I cap here, and I took j cap here, and I took k cap here. Now we have to take the cross from I to k. So I cap cross k cap. So I to k, you are coming in the reverse order what we have taken. So it will become minus j cap. So it is a minus j cap and minus j to k. So j to k you will get, so j to k, j cap cross k cap, you will get I cap. So we are getting here I cap. So now what will happen, see students, so magnitude of force minus f, and you take minus common here, minus if you take it common, what is left, so j cap plus I cap is left, okay, and minus of minus plus, then f into, so what will happen, I cap plus j cap. This is the answer, and this answer is given a mistake for you, so you please follow the answer is f into plus I cap plus j cap. Okay students, the first three problems what I have explained to you, it's a printing mistake is there, you please follow those problems students. Now next one, next problem you see students, problem number 95. It's a different model, you please listen carefully students. A particle of mass 80 units, mass of the particle given 80 units. So I am writing mass m is equal to 80 units. So mass of the particle is 80 units, moving with a speed of the particle is given, v is equal to 4 root 2 units in the xy plane, so along the line. So mass of the particle, velocity of the particle moving along the line, so the line is given, y is equal to x plus 5. So the magnitude of angular momentum of the particle is a question mark. So find the magnitude of angular momentum of the particle about the origin. So we want to find angular momentum. So we want to find angular momentum about, so about the origin. So we want to find the angular momentum about the origin. Okay. So we know the formula for angular momentum, L bar equal to R bar cross P bar. Okay students. Okay fine. So now, so for this line, so I want to take the particle is moving along this line he has given. The particle is moving along the line. So that line I want to write it students. So particle is moving so along that line they have given, that line I want to find it now. See students, so take three coordinates, take two coordinates, x and y coordinates. Okay, now I want to plot the line of this equation in this xy plane. For example, so what do we have students here? See, y is equal to x plus 5. If y is 0, then y value 0, then x value is equal to minus 5. Okay students, and if x is 0, then what will you get? Y is equal to 5. Okay students, y 0, x is minus 5. So this is the origin, we know 0 comma 0. Now what will happen? Y value you take it 0, then x value minus 5. So means negative x this is I am writing minus 5 comma 0 point. Okay, and next one x is 0, y value plus 5. X 0, y value plus 5. So this is 0 comma 5. This is another point. We are drawing a straight line. So these are the points. Okay, joining the points you will get this is the straight line. So the particle of mass 80 units moving with a velocity of 4 root 2 units moving along this. So moving along this line. Okay students, it is moving along this line. This is okay students. Then they are asking to find the angular momentum about the origin. This is the origin. We want angular momentum. Angular momentum formula is what? L bar equal to R bar plus P bar. Or you can write, so L is equal to R bar plus P bar. R bar plus P bar, that is equal to RP sin theta. Okay students, I want angular momentum of this particle. It has mass and it has velocity. So you will get the linear momentum. The product of mass into velocity, you will get the linear momentum. This is called P bar. Okay students, and see this linear momentum is at what perpendicular distance from the origin I want to see it. So this is the origin. From the origin the particle is moving along this direction. So I am dropping a perpendicular to here, and this is called 90 degrees we know. So this is 90 degrees you know students, and here to here you know 5 units, because this is 0 comma 5, y coordinate 5, and here to here you know this is also 5. Okay students, for this big triangle, this is 5 units and this is also 5 units. Okay, so these two angles are equal 45 degrees because this is 90, and now for this is 90, this will become the, so this is 90, this will become the hypotenuse. If you take this value is r, then the perpendicular distance, this is r, and you take, okay students, r value 5 units you know, and hypotenuse opposite side this is, okay, and this is 45 degrees we know, then this will become r sin 45 degrees. This length will become r sin 45. So then you are writing angular momentum L bar equal to, so see students, this is the perpendicular distance I have taken. So I want torque now. Torque means, so I want angular momentum. Angular momentum means I have to find r bar plus p bar. This is the perpendicular distance and this is the linear momentum. R and P are perpendicular. So theta is 90. You will get simply R into P. But this R value, this perpendicular distance value, this is we know 5 units. This is 45 degrees. So this will become opposite side. So it will become R sin 45 degrees. So that this R value is R sin 45 degrees into linear momentum. You write it M into V. So R value you know 5. Sin 45 degrees value you know 1 by root 2, and mass is how many units you know, 80 units you write it, and velocity you write it 4 root 2. So velocity you write it 4 root 2, then this root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. Then what will you get, you see students, root 2 gets cancelled, 4 5s are 20. So 20 into, you have 80 here, so then 1600, they did not give any units, so you write it unit. So angular momentum is 1600 unit is the answer students. Okay students, see problem number 94. What do they have given? A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 they have given. So then they are asking to find. Then question mark is A bar cross B bar is how much they are asking. So we have to find this value, A bar cross B bar value. Okay, see students, A plus B plus C or the three vectors. We can add the three vectors if they are similar vectors only. Okay, so means if A is some velocity, B should be velocity, C should be also velocity. A, B, C or three vectors, their sum is 0. So then I am writing like this. See students, A bar plus B bar is equal to minus of C bar, you will get. Okay students, so just see I am taking that side. Now what will you do? Multiply both the sides with B bar. So multiply, so what will you do students? Multiply both sides. Multiply both sides. So with multiply both sides with B bar. Okay students, then what will happen? You see, B bar cross, so A bar plus B bar and minus so first you are multiplying with B bar, so first B bar you will get cross C bar. Multiplication of a vector by another vector means it's not the normal into symbol. What do we have? You need to read it is a cross. So you are multiplying A plus B with B means it is into. This into here we call it as a cross product. So it's called cross product, you have to call students. So now you are multiplying with B. So first B should be there. B into A means you write it B bar cross A bar plus, we have here plus I have written B into B. B bar cross B bar, and with B you are multiplying C. So minus you leave there. First vector is B bar, multiplying you are with B, no. So first you should write B bar and later C bar you write it students. Okay, now B bar plus B bar it will be 0. So B bar plus A bar plus B bar plus B bar value 0, that is equal to what will you write here? Minus B bar cross C bar you have. Okay students, so now what will happen? So now next one is we have to find A bar plus B bar. Okay, since we know that, so what do we have? B cross A. B cross A can be written as minus of A bar plus B bar, you can write. So B bar plus A bar is equal to minus of A bar plus B bar. So I have written that, and this is 0 leaving, and this side what we have students? Minus B bar plus C bar. Okay, then this minus minus gets cancelled. So A bar cross B bar is equal to B bar cross C bar, you got it. So A cross B is same as that of B cross C. So A cross B value, how much is the question mark? So we are getting its value is equal to B bar cross C bar. This is the answer students. Okay students, 93 is similar to the 94th problem. So that is what 93. See students, what is given? So find the value of, they are asking us to find the value of A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. This we have to find it. A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar value we have to find it. Okay students, first multiply this one with A bar. So A bar cross, what do we have? A bar minus B bar. So with A bar you have multiplied this, and with B bar you multiply the same. B bar cross the again the same term. What is that? A bar minus B bar. Okay, now again take a bar plus a bar. So first vector is a bar plus a bar 0. Okay students, and minus, first we have a, so write a bar cross b bar. So plus you have here b bar cross a bar, and minus, plus into minus minus, b cross b 0. The cross product of a vector itself is equal to 0. Then what is left, you see students? So a cross a 0, a into b, a cross b, b into a, b cross a, and b cross b 0. So we have like this c. So this is 0, leave it. So what is left? A bar cross b bar plus, what do we have students? B bar cross a bar we have. Now this minus a bar plus b bar, you write it as b bar plus a bar. Okay students, minus a bar plus b bar can be written as b bar plus a bar. Commutative law in the cross product. So a cross b is equal to minus of b cross a, or minus a cross b is equal to b cross a, plus again what do we have? B bar cross a bar we have. So b bar plus a bar plus b bar plus a bar we have 2 times. Then 2 into, what can we write students? 2 into b bar plus a bar. This is the answer. Both are similar problems. Okay students, now next problem 92. So 92, what is given, you see students? If what is given, a bar plus b bar is equal to b bar plus c bar. A cross b is equal to, b cross c is equal to c cross a, c bar cross a bar. Okay students, so a bar plus b bar is equal to b bar plus c bar is equal to c bar plus a bar is given, and then find the value of, a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to, how much is the question mark? So this value we have to find. Okay students, okay, it is like 94th problem. It is similar to it is similar to 94 problem. Okay students, so they are asking us to find this one. You just do this. So we don't know what is the value we will get. A bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to how much we want to find it. Okay, then multiply either side with so b bar, multiply with b bar on either side. Multiply with b bar on either side. Then what will you get students? So you are multiplying with b bar on either side. Then you will get b bar cross a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay students, so you just multiply with b bar on either side. Then what will you get? You see b cross a, b bar cross a bar you have written, and b cross b 0, plus what will you write? First you have b into c. Here into means in the physics terminology you write b bar cross c bar. Okay students, but see that b cross c they have given as a cross b. So instead of b cross c, I can write it as a cross b. So first I have b bar cross a bar, 0 and 0 only. B bar cross C bar. B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. They have given. I am writing that A bar cross B bar only. Okay, students. B cross A. This is the first one. This is the second one. B cross A is equal to minus of A bar cross B bar. This B bar cross A bar you can write it as minus. So minus of A bar cross B bar you can write it as. So B bar cross A bar you are writing minus of A bar cross B bar plus again writing A bar cross B bar, that is equal to, so this is A cross B only. B cross A, from the commutative law of dot product, B cross A is equal to minus of A cross B gets cancelled, you are getting 0. So A plus B plus C is equal to how much means it will become 0. A plus B plus C is equal to 0 if A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. Okay students, that is the answer. See students, problem number 91. Problem number 91, A bar is given 3i cap minus 5j cap and B bar is given 6i cap plus 3j cap and C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. They have given C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Then find modulus of A bar, modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar. Okay students. Okay. So now I want to find C bar. So C bar is equal to how will you find? A cross B no, so just take the determinant I cap, J cap, K cap. So I cap coefficient here is 3 and here is minus 5 and next one is 0. And similarly B bar means 630. So 6, so 3, 0. Okay students. So that is what will you write C bar. Okay students. Now then whenever you have the K cap coefficients is 0, you won't get I cap and you won't get J cap values in the resultant cross. So see students, I cap into so product of these two you have to take product of these two, 0 into 5, 3 into 0, 0. So you don't have I cap plus in the formula we have minus J cap into again, so 3 into 0, 6 into 0. So you don't have J cap also. So plus what you write K cap. So K cap you are writing. So whenever you don't have the K coefficients, you will get only K cap only. 3 into 3 you will get 9 and in the formula you have minus 3 into 3 9 minus 6 into 5 30. So that is again minus 30 you have, it will become plus. Okay students, then K cap into 30 plus 9 you will get 39. So that is called what? Your C bar vector. So C bar is equal to 39 into what will write students? K cap. This is the vector you got it. So we got a vector C bar. What is that? C bar is equal to 39 into K cap. So then magnitude of C is K cap coefficient only. So C magnitude modulus of C bar is 39. And next one I want modulus of A bar. So modulus of A bar means I coefficient square root over I coefficient square plus root over J coefficient square. What is the J coefficient? Minus 5. We take it square. So and keep under root. 3 square value 9 plus minus 5, it's a whole square value 25. Then 25 plus 9 you will get root 34. And similarly magnitude of B bar I coefficient square 6 square 36 plus j coefficient square 3 square means 9. Okay, then 36 plus 9, so you have the value 36 plus 9 45. So that is called modulus of b bar. So modulus of b bar is b, that b value is equal to root 45. So now we are finding the value of a bar. Modulus of a bar is 2, modulus of b bar is 2. So what is that? Modulus of c bar. So modulus of a bar is equal to root 34, and modulus of b bar, what do we have? Root 45, and modulus of c bar, and that is called 39. So this is the answer, students.